Hello, I'm Von Wolf and thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're bringing you another vegan recipe. Today, we're making sweet potato kitchari. It's delicious, it's one of my favorites, and I hope to share it with you. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel so that we can continue to grow it and bring you new videos. Your support is very much appreciated, and I thank you very much for already subscribing. Now, let's get to the recipe. Here is everything that we're gonna be using. We got our star, the sweet potato, some onion, a thumb of ginger. We have some cumin seeds, my curry powder mix, which is in another video, some salt, some oil, and some nutritional yeast, rice, and dal. That's it. A little bit of oil. You can see here, we're gonna do 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of dal. Now, I'm in India, so I've been calling it dal, but listen, dal is just another word for lentils. You can use yellow lentils, you can use red. I normally use red, but I happen to have some yellow here, and so that's what we're going with. Now, the sweet potato can be any type. This is a white sweet potato. You can use yams, which are really good. You can also use purple sweet potatoes. I've done that before. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna chop everything up now. There's our ginger chopped up. We're slicing our onions and we're cubing the potatoes. When you're doing the potatoes, you wanna do them in nice big chunks, okay? Not too big, but good bite size. Of course, we're slicing the onions because I want to add some texture to it. All right, this is everything that we're using. Potatoes, onions, ginger, rice, dal, spices, a little bit of oil. Let's get cooking. In with the oil. Then you're going to want to add the cumin seeds and the ginger. Bring that up to a nice sizzle. The cumin seeds and the ginger are very aromatic. It's going to bring a nice smell, but you don't want to burn it. You're going to want to toss in the onions and give that a good shake. Don't forget to add salt. We want to add salt when we're sauteing the onions. Here I'm going to sprinkle some on and give it a little bit extra. All right, now once those are cooked down, go ahead and add your sweet potato. These are some nice cubes right here. Just push this off the cutting board. Let's see if I can get that in there. Okay, yep, and oh, I lost one. Okay, where did that go? Somewhere around here. Ah, there it is, underneath the sink. All right, 10-second rule. All right, throw in your curry powder. If you don't have curry powder, you can use cumin powder. Give that a nice little shake. Mix it around real good. Get all those spices and onions all kind of intertwined in there, okay? Once you've given that a good tossing, go ahead and throw the lid on and let that sit for just a couple minutes, not too long. We want to get those potatoes to kind of absorb some of those spices and that flavor. All right, so once a couple minutes have passed, we'll go ahead and add the rice. Throw in the dal. And water, water, water. Now look, you'll notice I used 1 cup of rice, half a cup of dal, and I put 4 cups of water in. That right there was some nutritional yeast. You can skip it if you don't have it, but adding a little bit of nutritional yeast will give it a nice savory taste to it. Okay, it's not necessary. So the rule of thumb when making a kitchari is you want to use more water more than twice the amount of whatever your dal or your lentils and rice is. So I had 1 cup of rice and a half a cup of dal. If you double that, that would be 3. That's why we went with 4 cups right there. Okay, and here is how it turned out. Look at that, it's beautiful. Smells good too. Ready to be served. Let's get this into the bowl and see how it looks. Sweet and delicious. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel so we can continue to bring you content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.